Birds. Dear children, we shall learn the names of birds. Sparrow. This is a small bird and generally found everywhere. Parrot. This is a domestic bird, green in color with red beak. Crow. This is found everywhere and has black color. Duck. This bird generally likes to live in water. Hen. This is also a pet bird. It cannot fly high and it gives us eggs also. Pigeon. This is a domestic bird. This was used as a postman in the past time. Eagle. The bird flies high. Its eyesight is very powerful and we call it as a hunter bird. Woodcutter. Its beak is long and strong. This bird can make hole in a tree by its beak. Crane. It has long legs and hunts small fishes.